to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Katiana Prokosh. I'm the owner and the designer of Zozo Bee competition suits and Battle-Born bikinis. Because if you are new here, you wouldn't know this. However, I have decided to do this really cool thing because I love you guys. You guys have supported me so much, and that is to give you guys extra content. So nothing on the channel is going to change for anybody else. I'm still going to be uploading videos once a week and giving you great content, sometimes twice a week, just depends. I've been trying to do a vlog thrown in there, kind of like business talk with a try-on. You do have to understand though, as a designer myself, I can't do like hauls as much as other girls that are buying swimwear from companies because I have to make them. And I have clients and I have customers and I have a retail shop. And so I can't always just do like 6 pieces in a haul. So giving you this extra content, which is what I'm about to explain, is going to be so awesome. This is a custom piece I made here. And it has a cute little scrunch butt, but the cool thing about it is this like unties and you can make it less scrunchy or more scrunchy, and then it's reversible. So this whole suit can be reversed. So you actually get like 4-in-1 bikinis. How cute is that, right? So giving you extra content is what it's all about because I do have a lot going on, but I can't always just film it. So sometimes I can give you like snippets or sometimes I can give you photos. I do have my fans page over on OnlyFans, so there will be a join button right next to where you would subscribe and you would be a sponsor. And what that kind of consists of is being a sponsor is giving a little fee every month to be a part of my team. So there's different ladders in this sponsorship, and I have chosen 3 for YouTube because I feel that I could give the most value to you all on 3 levels. So the first level is a very base level, and it's just going to be some extra pictures because I do not post enough on YouTube. I do post a lot more on my fans page.
Platform you're on. So next to the subscribe button now says join, and this is a new YouTube feature that is called memberships, and the idea is it's very similar to Twitch subscriptions. So what happens is if you want, this is not required obviously, and then in response you would get a bunch of different perks that I can set up, and if you click on it it'll show you everything that's set up. And this button might not appear if you're on iOS, it will if you're on Android and desktop. So why don't I go over what you actually get if you decide to join this. So first of all, you'll get a little special icon next to your name that will show up in comments on my videos and in live streams.
I'm an artist and I'm displaying my body as art. The second tier is a little bit more pictures and videos. The third tier is like my favorite because I haven't found time to do this, but I believe if I have you and you believe in me, we can do this together. It is a live video once a month with just these fans, just these subscribers or sponsors. So the extra perks would be pictures, videos, and then live videos. The cool thing about the live videos is we can actually chat. So because there's going to be less people in the subscription based, rather than me doing a live video for my whole entire channel, there's going to be less people and we can do a one-on-one chat. You can ask questions once a month. We can kind of get to know each other on a more personable, like friendship level, and you guys can be my biggest #1 fans. So what do you think about that? I'm pretty excited. This is kind of going into my slow season for swimwear. So I thought I would kind of push this out now and get people interested in it, and maybe like if you have questions you can ask, interested, and maybe put out a few things. Remember, I do have that circle on my story, or it's called a story, but it's on my profile, and you can, I don't know if you can access it from a desktop, but you can access it from your phone, and it has little snippets too of what to look forward to or what my fans page offers. So again, nothing changes for anybody else on the channel. If you're not interested in the sponsorship or becoming a #1 fan, that's totally fine. Nothing's going to change for you. You just continue to watch my videos like normal. There's just gonna be more options on the channel if you do want more access to me. So memberships are important to me because it keeps me thriving. Like, I can't tell you guys how much it means to me that something I've done since high school, like, people want to believe like it's an overnight success. It is not. It is not. Let me tell you how many times I've wanted to give up, and I just keep pushing. And I think it really did give me some confidence when I found out that I didn't necessarily have to lose as much weight because you guys love me for me. And coming from the fitness industry, gaining weight after having kids, it was a very, very nice transition to be able to find a love within yourself, and the transition of having 2 kids and showing them as well, because I have 2 daughters, that any body is a bikini body, and love yourself at any stage in your journey. And this is my journey, and yeah, I do sit a little heavier than I did back in my fitness days. I don't have the passion behind it anymore. And with this extra job from you guys, which I love doing this, I can see myself doing this for many years. Just like I did with that. But as with anything, every year changes. So every year is like a stepping stone. So I'm trying to take everything as it comes. But I do realize that the Zozobi competition suits is a lot harder for me to sell. COVID came, knocked out all of our competitions. And even with COVID, last year I was still thinking I have surpassed followers on my regular swimwear page because I'm able to model, I'm able to advertise, I'm able to promote it so much better because I can wear it, my kids can wear it. I feel more comfortable promoting it rather than the fitness. It's just like, I'm not really in that industry anymore. I don't know what's going on, and I don't want to keep up because it doesn't pertain to me and my lifestyle. So very sadly, as of 2021, I very, very, very hard have thought about pulling the plug on Zozobi competition suits. I love you guys. I love this channel, and I want to keep it going, and I give you guys more options, more fun, more me. I also have the option of shout outs, which I think is such an extra perk. So when we do, it's called super chats. When I do a live video, there is like little emojis that you could push out in the super chat, in the chat, which is going to give you a super chat. And I can then recognize you. I can do a shout out. I can say, thank you, Joe, Bob. All pink. There is so many exciting things coming. I don't know if you've heard of Super Chats before. I don't know if you've heard of this sponsorship program before. It's been out for a while, and I decided just to hop on board and see how it works for us. So let me know your thoughts down below and get ready because I'm launching it within this week.